So welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here, I'm really glad you're here. So if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make and can some beet relish. I found this recipe online while doing some stuff on Pinterest, and I just pulled up some beets, all the beets in my garden, so we had a lot of beets. So I'm trying to figure out how to use them other than like soup and stuff. So I came across this recipe. It seemed really cool, like a really neat idea. So in this recipe I've actually doubled or tripled this recipe, but I'll be showing you guys the measurements. So if you're interested in the measurements or the directions, they'll be posted below the video too. So get ready to start making some beets, the beet relish, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen. So first off, you want to start it and just cut your beets up. Goes for like 8 cups of beets is what I used, but the recipe is down in the description box. So it seems like the smaller you cut the beets up, the better it is in the food processor. Also wanted to say something too. This recipe does call for some cabbage, but I didn't have any cabbage, but it still turned out good. So you just want to process and chop up the beets in the food processor. So add it to a pan. Add some horseradish. I used 2 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons, and then just mix it up. Like I said before, I doubled or tripled this recipe. And then we put a little bit of water with it, and then on medium. Then you would start off with your broth, some sugar, some salt. Some brine, sorry, not broth. Some salt, some sugar, just a little bit of pepper to taste. This pepper grinder wasn't working, so I decided to use another one. Some pepper, and then some vinegar. About 2 cups of vinegar for this. Yep. And then you're going to start your cans off, boil them for about 10 minutes to sterilize them, and then same thing with the lids and the bands, I guess. And then you want to pack the nicely hot boiling beets into the jars. And be careful because this is really hot. And just kind of pack it down a lot. Just keep packing it down and packing it down. So it takes a while. Then you actually want to ladle in some of some of the vinegar water. My brine's not really working out now. So some of the brine you want to put some and pack it down too. Kind of get it all mixed up there. I decided to try something a little bit different, and I shook the jars up, and it actually worked really good. And actually got it kind of mixed up a lot better than sitting there packing it down. And then you wipe off any excess on the lids and measure it. It should be 1/4 headspace. And then when you've got all the jars filled up, just go ahead and stick them back into the hot bath canner. And then let process for about 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Sorry about the lighting right here, it's not that good, but it turns out really good. There you go, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. The whole kitchen smells great, especially from the horseradish. I like that smell. So thank you guys for watching. Any questions or comments or anything else like that, please post them below the video. You guys know what to do. Like if you like it, share with all your friends, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And don't forget to hit that bell notification. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.